Today we are going to analyze paracetamol in the tablets of paracetamol. So I will first weigh the 20 tablets of paracetamol. First you have to ensure that the balance is at 0. Then because the weight of the butter paper will interfere, you have to again 0, tear the butter paper. These are 20 tablets of paracetamol. I will be weighing all of them together. So the weight of 20 tablets of paracetamol is 11.66 grams, which we are noting down. After this, we are supposed to triturate this 20 tablets into a powder. So I am using a pestle mortar. Seeing that no powder is going out from the pestle mortar. So now we have powdered all the 20 tablets and it's made into a powder form. Now if you remember, we had weighed those 20 tablets, the weight of which was 11.6 grams. So we divide it by 20, you get a factor of 0.583 grams. So each tablet was weighing 583 milligrams. Now the tablet content for that paracetamol tablet was 500 milligrams. So when the paracetamol content is 500 milligrams, the tablet weight was 583 milligrams. So if I want 100 milligrams, then how much powder should I weigh? So the calculation ends up to give us a figure of 116.6 milligrams. So I will be weighing 116.6 milligrams of this powdered tablet, and then we will suspend it in a solution of NaOH and water. So I will be keeping the butter paper, again zeroing it. I have weighed quite an excess, so I am just going to re-weigh the powder. I am checking the zero again. So you cannot exactly weigh 116 milligrams, but you are supposed to write whatever weight you have weighed. So I have weighed 120 milligrams. So I will just report that I have weighed 120 milligrams. So now the next procedure is we are going to dissolve this powder in 0.1 molar NaOH, and we are going to dilute that solution using distilled water. So this 120 milligrams powder I will be putting in a conical flask. See to it that the entire content of your butter paper is transferred to the conical flask. Now this is 0.1 molar NaOH. I have measured 50 ml of 0.1 molar NaOH and I am adding it to this powder. To this, we are supposed to add 50 ml of distilled water, which I have taken out in a beaker for ease of operations. So this is 50 ml of distilled water. Now you are supposed to dissolve this powder. For ease of solubility or solubilizing this powder, we will keep this conical flask in an instrument called as a sonicator, Here there are ultrasonic waves which will assist in the dissolution of this powder, and we have set it to 15 minutes time. So you have to fill this with water and then leave your solution, leave your powder with NaOH and distilled water in the sonicator. So we have dissolved this paracetamol tablet powder in NaOH and water solution. We have kept it for 15 minutes. Now we will transfer this to a 250 ml volumetric flask and make up the volume to 250 ml. We will be making up the volume with distilled water. What you can do is rinse the flask so that even if any amount of solution is sticking to the walls, it will get transferred to your volumetric flask. So we have made it to 250 ml. Shake it and now we have to filter the solution. So this is a Whatman filter paper. For the further analysis, we will need only 10 ml of this solution. But I am filtering in excess. Now we have filtered the resulting solution, and this is the filtrate that I have got. I am supposed to measure 10 ml of the filtrate and transfer it to a volumetric flask where I will be making up the volume to 100 ml with distilled water. So this is a 10 ml volumetric pipette.
Depending.
So we have made the first solution and mixed it properly. Procedure is, I will be taking 10 ml of solution 1 in a new volumetric flask. I will be adding 10 ml of 0.1 molar NaOH and then make up the volume to 100 ml with distilled water. Now I will be making up the volume to 100 ml with distilled water. So solution 2 is prepared. Now we will take the UV absorbance of this solution at 257 nanometers. This is the UV visible spectrophotometer on which you will be going to take your readings. We will adjust it to 257 nanometers. This is how you rinse the cuvettes for the UV spectrophotometer. You rinse it using distilled water. One is a reference cuvette, the other one is a sample cuvette. So in the reference cuvette we will be adding distilled water and placing it in the UV spectrophotometer. The solution 2 that we have prepared will now be added to the other cuvette. Before that we will be adding water in both the cuvettes and zeroing the instrument. So in this cuvette also we have added distilled water. So we rinse the cuvette first with solution 2. You clean the sides of the cuvette using a tissue paper and place the cuvette and take the reading. So at OCP we have Mrs. Deepali Kumbhar, who is the in charge of all the instruments in the instrument room. She will help you out with doing the instrumentation part, at least for your first year.